Hello, I'm Derek with Adobe Rock here in Erta, Utah. We have big plans to turn our dry and dusty landscape yard into an oasis of ideas for your own backyard. Today I want to show you a project we've been working on for the past several weeks. It's called a Gabion fence. The word Gabion comes from the Italian word Gabione. It means big cage, and it was the Italians who first used these types of structures to stabilize shorelines, stream banks, and slopes. So in a way, a Gabion fence brings Italian flavor to your yard. The first step was to mark where the posts will be placed, which we have placed a little more than 5 feet apart. Next, we dug holes for each post. These could be dug by hand, but when you have the right equipment, it makes things so much easier. We used 8-inch square, 10-foot long cedar posts, which we cut in half. We also added a few cuts to the top to give it a more decorative look. The posts were set using a fence post level to square all sides, and quick setting post mix was used to anchor them to the ground. It's important to make sure each post is not only level, but also aligned with the others. So we set the 2 end posts first, and then ran a string line between the two to align the other posts. We use a tinted polyurethane to enhance the color as well as protect the posts from the weather. Next, we cut the wire fence panel to cut and attach them to the posts using long fence staples. We wired the fence panels to each other in between the posts to reduce the amount of bowing in the fence and create a stronger cage. Finally, we added the rocks and filled our cages. You'll need to choose a rock size larger than the gaps in your wire, and we chose our 2 to 8 inch Rainbow River rock. Once the rock was in place, we washed it off because the rocks always look better when the dust is washed away. As you can see, our Gabion fence is complete. We're going to add some decorative landscaping a little later. We'll use one side of our fence as a retaining wall up to about half the height. Once we've got the landscaping in, we'll update the video to show you the final result. Thanks for watching us today. Check out our channel for other helpful videos and sign up for a free gift using the link below. And until next time, let us know how we can help rock your world.